In the heart of the magical world, where the cobblestones were enchanted with shimmering sparkle, and the air always carried a hint of laughter and mischief, young wizards and witches buzzed about their day with wands in hand and spells at the ready. Among these magical happenings, a strange and mysterious event was about to unfold that would whisk the students of Hogwarts into an unforgettable adventure. One crisp autumn afternoon, Harry Potter, the boy with the lightning bolt scar, found himself wandering through the richly decorated halls of Hogwarts with his best friends, Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley. An odd feeling had been swirling around since morning, making the day seem like it was wrapped in a thin veil of mystery. Our defense against the dark arts class was certainly different today, wasn't it? Hermione remarked as they strolled out of the lecture hall. That's putting it mildly, Ron grumbled, adjusting his wizard hat that had been charmed to change colors temporarily. Just as they rounded a corner near the library, the trio heard a soft, enchanting melody. It was as if the walls themselves were humming a forgotten tune. Attracted by the curious sound, they followed it through a secret passageway behind an old portrait of a snoozing knight. To their amazement, they stepped into a chamber that none of them had ever seen before. At the center stood an ancient pedestal, upon which a small, flickering fire danced. Its flames were mesmerizing, not ordinary flames, but ones that shimmered in sparkling hues of greens and golds. It was the Goblin Fire, a rare magical phenomenon that was supposed to be a myth. Hermione's eyes widened with fascination. "I read about the Goblin Fire in Magical Myths and Mysteries," she whispered. Harry, drawn to the glowing spectacle, stepped forward. As the Goblin's fire flickered, it seemed to whisper secrets, tales of ancient goblins and hidden treasures lost to time. Ron, ever cautious, looked around nervously. "What if it's cursed or something?" he asked, glancing over his shoulder as if expecting one of Filch's mischievous cats to pounce any moment. But Harry, emboldened by the fire's allure, extended a hand towards the flames. They leaped upward eagerly, wrapping around his fingers harmlessly like the warm embrace of an old friend. In an instant, the room spun around them in a kaleidoscope of colors, and the trio found themselves amidst a vivid vision. They saw a place lost to ages, a hidden goblin village, tucked away beneath the roots of the forbidden forest. Goblins busily crafted wondrous items of great power, infused with their immaculate artistry. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.